What is going on, my party people? Aloha and welcome to the channel. I'd like to thank everybody for rocking with me, supporting the channel. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe for E-Money. As we always know, it is brick by brick. You feel me? Because that's how we building this thing. And welcome to the Money Squad. And the next giveaway will be 10K. We got a little small one at 7.5 or 8,000, somewhere around in there. We in no big rush, but if we get there fast, we get there fast. You feel me? Also, go check out my sis 313 Retro Queen. She on our road to 700. My two bros, they on their way to 5K. So the information will be in the description below. I got a whole bunch of videos I've been dropping, just trying to make it short, quick, straight to the point. Now, as you see right in front of me, got some Lebron 17s. Probably about a 3-4 weeks later, just waiting for the Navy exchange, because y'all already know E-Money is cheap and I need my discount. Steals and deals. I like the Lebron 17 box. As you can see, 10.5, you see that? $159. I had a $15 coupon. Made it, what is that? $145 or $144, well, $145, somewhere around in that. Either one you want to do it, but you can see you got both. See, suggested retail price is $200 suggested. And then you got over here the size 10.5 is 12 in women's. The official colorway is black, white, university red. You see that? And you got your QR code and all of that good stuff on the shoe. And now you don't see no stamp or ramp. You got this little paper wafer here, all of that good stuff. Take it out like so. Got to make it all nice. And fumble, bang. Or the Hawaii Jammer. Look at that shoe. Very, very dope shoe in my opinion. Some people, this is the bread. Some people say this is the cheap imitation of the Jordan 6 Infrared. But this is a dope banger in my opinion. Now let's go underneath. Let's check it out. You got those pods. Now, the other shoe had pods, but this got pods. You got the big four comfort. The zoom technology here, as you can see. Very, very dope. Signature underneath. Then you got this netting material. I think this is called foam net and battle net and all that good stuff. Correct me if I'm wrong. But as you can see right here, you got a lot of stuff going on the shoe. You got that little itty bitty Nike right there. And then you can see you got this nice little lacing system. Lebron, the line, you see how them eyes light up like it's looking at you. And then this is the thing. You got the Dunkman lace lock, right? Dunkman lace lock. 23, got the carpet with the Lebron. Very, very dope with the new book and LJ right there. Turn around on the side. Like I said, you can see the foam. This is the part supposed to be the foam, so that's all they been doing some nice little things with that. Make the red hits. Kind of almost look like my sand. Brick by brick, right? Brick by brick. Kind of cheesy, but that, you know where to get the drill. Then you got the reverse swoosh. You got this on the back as well. No pull tab. So you got to make sure you get the right size in these joints, because if not, you're going to be battling to get your foot in this shoe. Let me tell you. Very, very comfortable though. Then you got the little teeny weeny. See, it's a knit posit, okay? Knit posit. That's what it is. Not foam posit, foam battle, because you had battle knit 1, battle knit 2, and this one is knit posit, okay? Whatever y'all want to do, LeBron, it's your world, right? And as you can see, max volume, I got a little stuff etched there inside the shoe, those numbers. But it's very, very comfy once you get it on your foot though. I like what they're doing with this Lebron line. So of course I got to get a couple of them. And this one got the shoe tree to let you know what size you got. Well, I guess not. Normally have the size on them, but I guess it's only Jordan. Just keep the form of the shoe. You can see the insole, got LeBron in there. Very, very dope with the symbol. As you see, 10.5 with your QR code, so you can run it in and make sure you have a legit shoe. But a lot of people like, how many bread colorways can you have, right? So